So in the previous video I have told that we'll be solving in the further video about 5 mark sums which are very important under X bar chart for 5 marks. So under that, first we are going to solve 5 mark sums under X bar chart when standards are known. Okay. So how can we identify when standards are known? In the sense, already as told before, I've already told that in X bar chart when standards are known, they'll give you standard deviation, means sigma value. Okay. So when sigma is given and mean word is given, it is already X chart, and they have given here sigma value. So, and they would have already given you known. Already they have given the known values. They have not told that it is unknown. Dig holes with a mean diameter of 15 mm. And this particular question is very important question. Most repetitive question for pre-boards and board. Okay. So now let us see. A drilling machine is said to dig holes with mean diameter. So this mean diameter they have given as 15 mm. So this is already known. So we are supposed to write the control limits for X bar chart when standards are known. Okay. So mean diameter of 15 mm. So given, first let us write given X bar dash is equal to 15. Next, and standard deviation of 0.2 mm. So we are going to represent standard deviation as sigma dash is equal to 0.2. Next, they have given sample size. The sample size will be every time either 4 or 5. So your sample size will be represented by n is equal to 5. So when standards are known, let us use the formula of control limit. So CL means central line is always sigma dash. LCL is sigma dash minus A sigma dash. Next, UCL we have sigma dash plus A into sigma dash. Now let us substitute the values for this. So we have sigma dash value as 15. Next, 15 minus A. Now we are supposed to check the A values. Now we are supposed to check the A values when we have the sample size n is equal to 5, we will be having a different value, and when n is equal to 4, we will be having a different value. So when n is equal to 5, the value of A is 1.342. So we wanted A value in the log table, and during the exam time at the end of the sheet they will give you the values. So kindly go through those values in order to get to know. Okay, so A value when n is equal to, when sample size is 5, we have 1.342 into sigma value. What is the sigma value we have? 0.2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ sigma value 0.2 ಇದೆ. So substitution ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So we have sigma dash value ಬಂದು 15 ಇದೆ. So 15 plus A value ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ 1.342. 2. So 2 into sigma dash value again we have 0.2. Now let us solve this using the calculator. So when we put 15, now I am solving for LCL. So 15 minus 1.342. Whenever you have bracket, if there is no sign and the sign ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ bracket ಗಿಂತ before ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is nothing but multiplication. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ into 0.2. ನಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 minute. So we have got 14.7316 14.7316 ಇವಾಗ LCL ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ UCL ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 15 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1.342 ಇಂಟು 0.2 ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು 15.2684. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is when standards are known. Now let us solve for the given question. Here they have given you directly itself. This is also standards are known. Whenever they have given sigma and the standard standard deviation value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ x bar chart ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು standards known ಬರುತ್ತೆ. standards not known ಗೆ r value ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. they give r value for standards not known. ಇವಾಗ now in the previous question we had sample size 5, but here in the next question we have sample size as 4. Now let us read the question. If x dash 1 is equal to 4.5 and sigma dash 1 is equal to 1.5, for sample size of n is equal to 4, we are supposed to compute the control limit. So we know that it is x bar chart. So x bar chart anta gottu. Ivaga given barkodona. So given x bar dash is equal to 4.5, sigma dash is equal to 1.5, sample size means n, it is given by n in the denote ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 4. So control limits when standards are known. So CL value we know that it is x dash, LCL it is x bar dash minus a sigma dash, UCL sigma x bar dash plus a sigma dash. So we have x bar dash value as 4.5. So here 4.5 minus a value. Now in the previous question ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮುಂಚಿನ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ a value ನಮಗೆ 1.342 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ sample size ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇತ್ತು. But now when we come to the new question we have the sample size as 4. Here when the sample size is 4, even the a value also will change. When sample size is 4, we have a value as 1.500. Now into sigma dash value, we have sigma dash value as 1.5 into 1.5 bracket ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಟು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ 4.5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋ ಜಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. UCL plus 1.500 into 1.5. Now take your calculators and solve. We will get. Now let me solve. Use LCL. 4.5 minus 1.500 into 1.5. We will get the answer as 2.25. Whereas for UCL, sorry. Now 4.5 plus 1.500 into 1.5. We will have 6.75 as your answer. So this completes for when standards are known, X bar chart problems when standards are known. So only they'll give you this type of questions, and very most important is the first question, most repetitive question. So for in the further video we will be solving 5 mark sums when under X bar chart when standards are not known.